Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic that is about pendulums. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have two pendulums are of length L1 and L2 and when located at the respective distance R1 and R2 from the center of the earth have periods B1 and B2 so now I want to show you how to answer. We need to know that the period of pendulums that should be about B equal to 2B multiplied by L. That's it about the length of pendulum over 3. That's it about gravitational force. And we know that 3 that is about capital 3m over r squared. Now we need to put this one for B1 and B2 and they should be like this. About 3, we need to change by this one. Now we simplify the square root of r1 square. This one will go to numerator, similar for the second one. And we have like this. 2p and 2p we cancel. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.